Yo, what's up, guys? It's been a minute, I know. Check this out, yo. I'm gonna be installing these OEM custom painted black bundles. It's gonna make the car look more aggressive. Yeah, I got it from Auto Technic. Huge shout out to Auto Technic. I've been buying majority of my recent interior parts from them. All right, without further ado, let's get into this install. Go from this to this. It's gonna be sick. So I'm not gonna bore you guys too much with the DIY stuff because personally, when I watch videos, I don't enjoy seeing people make like 17+ minute videos on like a 5-minute project. All right, so anyways, I'm gonna be using a heat gun, some fishing line. I'm gonna be using a squeegee right here. I won't need the floss, but got it just in case. But yeah, let's get into this install. All right, and just like that, the new emblem is on. Bro, this makes the car look so complete now. All right, emblems are now on. Bro, it looks 1,000 times better. I'm gonna be dropping a video tomorrow. Enough teasing. Single turbo videos dropping tomorrow. If you guys are new, leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.